keep filming him, and 1 minute George comes and gets him and takes him off the fence.
Okay. We're running out of filming room on this. Like memory card room. It says 2 minutes. Do you want me to get the other one?
Keep going on this one. You got Patrick, come on! George! And you can just go to the fence. I'll flip the carabiner. Okay. And you can take him back to Patrick. Don't worry about that so much.
Pryor is the dog.
Actually, I think you can. It says to know what the dog does. So we'll see.
This way!
Ready, buddy?
Got it.
Come on, big guy. Let's go. Come on, fella. Sirius, with me.
I think he dropped it. I just don't know what he got it. He's got it.
Come on, bud. Come on, bud. There you go. There you go, bud. Sirius.
Yeah,
Hey, fella. Good boy. Yes. Woohoo! Good boy, Sirius. Oh, good fight in the bushes. Good fight in the bushes. Out. Good boy. Yes! Good job, fella. Good job, buddy. Good job, fella. Ready?
I ran this morning, but that's it. Oh, you gotta grab him. Wait there.
Woo! Good job, fella. Good job, buddy. Yes! Good job, fella. Good job, Sirius. Good job, buddy. Out.
Grab the dog. Number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
their patch.
There you go. There you go. Yes. Good job, fella. Good job, fella. Good job, fella. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Out. Woo! Good job, fella. Good job, fella. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit.
Whenever you're ready.
Yes. Good boy. Good target, too. Good job, fella. Good job, fella. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now just out.
Let him go and then time us a minute. Don't touch. But that's good he's going back
This
and
is
forth.
one of the.
Yeah.
You got 5 more seconds.
I think this is what they're looking for. Okay, you can reward.
Yeah!
That was a
good
minute.
boy! Good job, buddy! Yeah! Atta boy!
So he's done.
Nice
That
job,
was
fella!
perfect.
Woohoo!
Good boy.
Worried about our phone.
Good! Good boy! Woo! Sirius! Woo! Hey, fella! Yes!
Go.
Can you see him?
No, not really. Hmm.